14 Powerful Baking Soda Health Benefits. Baking soda is a versatile ingredient that is not only used for baking but also has numerous health and beauty benefits. One of its most significant benefits is its alkaline properties, which can help counteract acid reflux, neutralize stomach acids, and provide relief from indigestion in adults. Welcome to Healthy Habits, your go-to destination for all things health and wellness. We're here to provide you with valuable tips, tricks, and insights to help you lead a happier, healthier life. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help us spread the word. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, we will discuss 14 amazing health benefits of consuming baking soda water. However, it is essential to note that overconsumption of baking soda can hamper the activity of your muscles, brain, and heart, so it is crucial to use it in moderation. Baking soda has antifungal and antibacterial properties and can kill bacteria, including Streptococcus mutans, which is associated with tooth decay. It is also effective against various fungal groups that cause skin and nail infections in humans. Baking soda can alleviate urinary tract infections by increasing urine pH levels. A scientific study published in 2017 found that baking soda had a significant positive effect on symptoms and symptom scores of female patients with lower urinary tract symptoms. Baking soda can help neutralize acid and improve pH balance in the body, making it useful for digestive issues such as acid reflux or heartburn. However, it is essential to use it in moderation as consuming too much can cause an increase in acid production. Baking soda water can help prevent kidney stones by alkalizing the urine to dissolve uric acid, removing kidney stones, and restoring the body's pH levels. Baking soda can boost kidney health, as a clinical study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that patients who were supplemented with bicarbonate were less likely to experience rapid progression of their kidney disease. Baking soda can reduce muscle pain and fatigue and may have a positive effect on athletic performance, including sustained strenuous exercise or high-intensity training. Baking soda can reduce inflammation that prevents the development of arthritis, which affects mostly joints. It helps raise pH levels to alkalize the blood, preventing deposition in joints. Baking soda can improve oral health by promoting healthy gums, strong teeth, neutral breath, and a clean tongue. It can prevent diseases and disorders related to the mouth, and its natural whitening properties can scrape off surface stains on the teeth. Baking soda can help remove splinters by soaking the affected area in a mixture of baking soda and water. Baking soda can help alleviate the symptoms of sunburn, itching, and insect bites by adding it to a bath or applying it directly to the affected area. Baking soda can help remove stubborn stains from clothes and carpets by mixing it with water and applying it to the affected area. Baking soda can help keep your fridge smelling fresh by placing an open box of baking soda inside. Baking soda can be used as a natural deodorant, as it can neutralize body odor by absorbing sweat and preventing bacteria growth. Baking soda can help clean and exfoliate the skin, remove dead skin cells, and unclog pores by adding it to a bath or making a paste with water and applying it to the skin. In conclusion, baking soda has numerous health and beauty benefits, but it is essential to use it in moderation to avoid any unwanted side effects. So, go ahead and try out these amazing health benefits of baking soda water and let us know your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help us grow our community. And if you're looking for more great content, be sure to click the videos on the screen to watch some amazing videos from our channel. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next one.